Hi Libra, welcome to my channel. This is a general tarot reading for the upcoming week. Like I said, I've stopped putting dates to my readings because people expect things to happen in that particular period of time, and time is fluid in tarot. So take it as it resonates. Let things happen at their own pace. One card flew out. Sorry, 3 cards flew out. Alright, let's see. Alright. What you don't see is the love offer, which is hidden in the friendship that you are in right now. Okay, so for some of you, a friend of yours will communicate to you that they have more to offer than just friendship. For some of you, you are in a third party situation, and they will want to choose you rather than the other party. Let's see. Yes, there's a lot of love wherever you are, Libra. There's a lot of commitment for future for some of you. Lovers came, okay. Nice, nice, nice. You had 2 of cups and then the lovers also came. So yes, somebody really is into you. Even if it's a third party, this person is more into you than the other party. For those of you whose friend is wanting to become much more, is really into you with a lot of serious commitment, with a lot of promise for the future. Let us see what they want to communicate to you. So they want to communicate that, though they don't match your expectations, or they might know what your expectations are, but but they are quite serious about you. They have fought a lot for you, maybe in their own head, maybe with other people, but they really want to come towards you with whatever they have, whatever little they can offer is there, right now, the energy that they are in. Let me see what are they planning to offer to you. Alright. So the things will start as a third party. For people who are in third party, they want to do justice to both the parties and they can't decide between the two. There's a lot of holding back energy, there's a lot of indecisive energy still. But there's Star card coming in Lovers and 2 of Cups, meaning that they will end up choosing you. They will end up coming towards you because there's a lot of pull towards you. There's a lot of, they really want to come towards you. They really want to, I think they feel that you are their wish fulfillment, or that you are the one for them, or maybe you feel they are the one for you. But either ways, there's a lot of love in this connection. It's very clear. Let me see what the major arcana cards have. They want to do anything, fight for you, whatever, but it might start as a very small thing and it could build up to be a great love, is what I feel. Yes, things will definitely move fast now. Yes, they want to do justice by you. Like I said, they want to come towards you. And yes, Hermit is a very serious, very thought through energy. They really want to, they have really thought about it a lot. Even if you didn't know that they were thinking about you, they have thought a lot about you, and they want to do justice by you because they feel that you have really done a lot. You have really invested a lot in this relationship. Even if it's a friendship, they feel that no, this person really deserves much more than I'm giving them. Let's see what the love messages are from the universe. Change is always good. Yes, they are changing for good, and things will change for good. That you have options, rock on. Some of you have options. You will be surprised. Like I said, they will come towards you with a substantial offer which you weren't expecting. And for those whose friend will suddenly one day get up and say, okay, I don't want to be just friends anymore. And you will be surprised for good. But whatever said and done, there's a lot of good surprises coming towards you for everyone. Let's see how you can handle the situation. What is your, how should you behave? How should you tackle this period where these things happen for you? because changes are bound to happen. Changes are always good. Change is always good. Have patience meanwhile all this is happening in the background. Be peaceful, because let the universe work for your good, and do some charity work for your inner peace, for your happiness. Do some good work, do some welfare work, and let things unfold at their own pace. Let things then let universe work as per its own pace. You have already told the universe what you want, and it is, like I said, working in the background. There's a lot of love, Libra, around you. There's somebody who really likes you, really feels for you. He takes your words seriously, but they have not expressed yet, right? Because they are in a contemplative mode. They are really thinking whether it should or not, because there's a third party involved, or because you're friends. They don't want to break that. They're afraid of hurting that friendship. Don't worry, let them sort their own mind out, let them sort their own shit out. But they are coming with lots of love, and I'm so happy that, because we all thrive for love, and here it is for you. Let it show itself to you at its own pace. Have patience, be peaceful, believe that things are turning in your favor. That's all I have for you, and thank you for watching. I'll see you next week.